Alright, here we have an example that says 3 3/8 minus 1 1/2. So again, we're subtracting mixed numbers. Well, we have rules for dealing with fractions. So let's change these to fractions first. Multiplying 3 times 8 would be 24, plus 3 would be 27. So 27 over 8 minus 2 times 1 would be 2, plus 1 would be 3 over 2. Now at least we have fractions, so we need a common denominator. Let's think of what we can change these into so that 8 will go into it and 2 will go into it. And in this case, that would be 8. 8 times 1 is 8, so 27 times 1 would be 27. This was already over the right denominator, so we really didn't have to change it. Here, 2 times 4 would be 8, so 3 times 4, doing the same thing to the top, would be 12. Now we have those common denominators, and we can go ahead and just work with the numerators. 27 minus 12 would be 15, and keep that denominator of 8. Now this is your fraction form, but if they want it as a mixed number, we can do that too. We can just do the division. 15 divided by 8, 8 would go into there one time with 7 left over. So our mixed number answer would be 1 whole one and 7 left over out of 8. So either one of those answers would be fine, depending on whether they ask you for fraction as your answer or a mixed number. Now, the last thing that we need to review as you go into working in this section, there are going to be some application problems. And I wanted to make sure and review the word perimeter, because you will see that a lot. The word perimeter, what does that mean? Well, it's the distance around something. The distance around a figure. We'll say a figure. So, for instance, if we had a triangle, and I just drew some triangle, it looks like they're all the same side, but who knows? Let's say that this is this side here is 5, and this one is 5, and this one is 6. If you're asked to find the perimeter of this triangle, all we have to do is look at the distance around. So from here to here would be 5, from here to here is another 5, and from here to here is 6. Basically, all we're doing in perimeter is adding up the sides. So the perimeter of that figure would be 5 plus 5 plus 6, which would be 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 6 would be 16. So our perimeter here for this problem would be 16. Just don't forget what the word perimeter means. You'll see it from here on out.